You might know Damascus, or Dimashq, as the capital of Syria, a historic city and the oldest continuously inhabited capital in the world. I know Damascus as my home, but that does not mean that I'm still not in awe of the rich culture, natural, and historic values of this unique city. This is why today I want to talk about some must-see places in Damascus. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. Today we'll be talking about some amazing historical and modern significant places in the breathtaking capital. My name is Ozzy and I'm from Damascus, Syria. I really want to start by thanking you once more for your support on this channel. I have been having a fantastic time doing these videos for you. And I heard your comments, and I'll try to pepper in more Arabic words throughout the video. I hear you guys. As usual, if you could hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, or in Syrian Arabic, تأزر الاشتراك ورن الجرس. That way, the suits at corporate won't give me the boot, or يقحطولي. That was very Syrian Arabic, by the way. So, the first place you absolutely must visit in Damascus is the Umayyad Mosque, also known as the Great Mosque of Damascus. In Arabic, we call it Jami' Bani Umayya al-Kabir, which means the Grand Mosque of the Children of Umayyah, or for short, we call it Jami' al-Umawi. I'm gonna say that again, Jami' al-Umawi. Believe it or not, this place was used as far back as the Iron Age, with the Arameans, or as we say in Arabic, Al-Aramiyin. They used it as a place to worship their god of rain, Hadad. Then, later, during the Christian Byzantine rule, between 379 and 395, it was converted to a church, or in Arabic, Kanise. After the year 634, however, when the Muslims took over Damascus, it was converted to a mosque. And in the year 705, the Umayyad Khalifat al-Walid, or in Arabic, Al-Khalifa al-Umawi al-Walid ibn Abd al-Malik ibn Marwan, he officially declared it as a mosque, so it was called Jami' al-Umawi since then. Its unique structure and multiple layers of various historical and architectural influences really give it a style unlike anything else you'll see in the world. Even though I myself have visited it like 100 times, I was always amazed by just how awesome it is. Whew. It is really a special place that you have to see. So, moving away from history a little bit and towards nature, or tabi'a, as we say in Arabic, I have to speak about the mountain of Qasyun, or Jabal Qasyun. Now, I personally am super biased towards this natural marvel because I grew up on it. What? How do you say? Well, I grew up in a neighborhood called Al-Muhajirin, which literally translates to the immigrants. This is a neighborhood situated on the mountain overlooking Damascus, and it is so awesome. You literally leave your house, look over, and see the entire magnificent city at your feet. Also, on the mountain peak, there are tons of restaurants, or mata'im, and cafes, or maqahi, where you can hang out and enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. Truly, it is a top place to visit. Get it? Top, because it's at the top. No? Okay, I'll try better. You know, they can't all be winners, you guys. Sometimes you gotta hear some bad jokes to appreciate the good ones. Anyways, jumping back into history, or what we say in Arabic, tarikh, we really should talk about the largest bazaar or souk in Syria, which we call Souk Al-Hamidiyah, or in the Syrian accent, Souk Al-Hamidiyah. I will never forget the mixture of aromas that tickle your senses the second you walk inside the souk. And then you look up and you see these ancient, magnificent arches and ceilings built all the way back in the 1780s. I mean, they smack you with so much history, you almost forget that you're in the 21st century. Hey, that rhymed. That was not on purpose. So, the souk starts at Al-Thawra Street or Shari' Al-Thawra and ends all the way at the Umayyad Mosque Plaza or Sahid Jami' Al-Umawi. It's basically the Avenue de Champs-Élysées of Damascus. I hope I pronounced that correctly. You really cannot say that you visited Damascus if you don't hit that souk. So I guess that is it for this video about things to see in Damascus. There's of course a lot more to do, so I might do some more videos about this if you guys are interested and if Hala allows me to, you know, she's the boss. So leave us a comment and let us know what you think and hit that like button like it is your job. Wait, no, nobody wants to do their job. Hit that like button if you like candy. I don't know, I'm just trying something here. Again, I am your host, Ozzy, and I'll see you all in our next video.